The AR Blue Clean AR383B Electric Pressure Washer delivers impressive cleaning power with its universal motor and tri-axial pump, reaching up to 1,900 pounds per square inch and 1.51 gallons per minute. Its compact trolley design with two wheels and an ergonomic handle ensures easy portability and comfortable use across various cleaning tasks. This pressure washer is equipped with dynamic accessories including a bayonet trigger gun, vari-spray and turbo lance, and a 25-ounce foam cannon, enhancing its versatility. The 20-foot super soft hose simplifies the setup process and connects seamlessly to the trigger gun, reducing time and effort. A total stop system feature automatically shuts off power when the trigger is not engaged, prolonging the unit's lifespan and improving energy efficiency. With onboard storage and a sleek design, the AR383B is both stylish and functional, making it an excellent choice for keeping your outdoor spaces pristine.